Welcome or welcome back to another exciting video from ExamPadi. In today's video, we're going to be exploring a very cool animal called the great white shark. Here are some fun facts about the great white shark. Great white sharks are amazing creatures that can be fascinating and a little scary. Did you know that the great white sharks are one of the biggest predators in the ocean? They can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh over 5,000 pounds. That's as long as a school bus and as heavy as 2 cars. But even though they are big, great white sharks are also very fast swimmers. They can swim up to 35 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest swimmers in the ocean. Great white sharks are also famous for their sharp teeth. They have about 300 teeth arranged in multiple rows, and they can lose and replace up to 50,000 teeth in their lifetime. Imagine having to replace that many teeth. One of the most amazing things about the great white sharks is their sense of smell. They can detect a single drop of blood in 25 gallons of water. That's like being able to smell a single drop of perfume in an entire Olympic-sized swimming pool. Another interesting fact about the great white sharks is that they can live up to 70 years. This makes them one of the longest living cartilaginous fish. Great white sharks are found in almost all oceans around the world, and they can adapt to a wide range of water temperatures and depths. They have a mysterious migration pattern, with some individuals traveling thousands of miles each year between feeding and breeding grounds. Great white sharks play an important role in the ocean ecosystem as apex predators, helping to keep populations of other animals in check. Despite their fearsome reputation, great white sharks are not indiscriminate hunters. They prefer to hunt marine mammals such as seals, sea lions, and dolphins, and have been known to attack whales. Great white sharks are known for their ability to breach the water, launching themselves out of the water with incredible force to catch prey. Scientists believe this behavior is used to stun or disorient their prey. Wow! The great white shark is truly a remarkable animal. Thank you for learning some fun facts about the great white shark with me. Make sure you subscribe to ExamPadi for more interesting videos. Goodbye.